bubbles.
Gosh, it's like a hot tub. I just want to get it.
Yeah, it's like a huge hot tub, but it's natural.
Ah, it feels so good when it comes in.
When the steam comes on you. These are the thermal pots, everybody. If we've come to Yellowstone this time last year, I would have been knowing all this stuff about how it works because we learned it in science class. But I'm sorry, Miss Camp, I forgot everything. Oops, that's what you get for moving to Newnan.
I just want to let you all know that you must not get any of the bubbling hot on you because it is life-threatening. Just to let you all know.
Oh,
If it spurts up,
you have to run away.
You have to run away. Yes.
This is a little small one. It's just like right here. It's cute, it's bubbling. Here's some water where you can see the rock underneath, which is cute. Here, this one you can see into like the depths of the volcano, which is really cool. Artist paint pots have a bunch of different colors. Right here we have some bubbly mud.
It's clay.
Alright, clay.
Get a recording. I could have.
These are some of the bubbling clay pots that they have because of all the lava underground and stuff. It's weird to think that it could, I mean, theoretically, erupt at any time. Out here at these sick rapids, living the life. It's really cool though. I don't know how cool it'll look on camera, but I think they're called like Hardy's Rapids or something. You can actually go right up to the water's edge, so I'm gonna go do that. Okay, so I'm out here. This is not zoomed in at all. I'm legitimately right on the river. This is the Yellowstone River, I think. It's right up to the path, actually. Oh my god, it's so cold. But yeah. That's the Yellowstone River, and these are the Hardy Rapids, I think. And here it comes right up to the path. It's amazing. But yeah, it's been kind of a fun day, just a lot of driving and then stopping to get out and film stuff and, you know, doing the damn thing.